Okay guys, so since my camera would not cooperate and focus on the highlighters, here is a close-up of the highlighters. This is the one that I used today. This is Citrus Bling and it looks like this. And then we have this one here. This one is the Crystal Kumquat. And that's how this one looks. As you guys can see, this one is a bit darker, but I'm gonna go ahead and use my finger and swatch them so you guys can see the colors. So here is one, and I'm just gonna swatch this on my leg right here. And then I'm gonna swatch this kumquat right next to it right here, just so you guys can see. So this is the two shades. They actually look pretty similar, but this one has a prettier shifting colors. Like there's some purples in there, some pinks, and this is more of a goldish, like champagne shade. So I would definitely recommend this one.